Have you heard the word delta being thrown around but can't quite figure out what it's all about? A zero point 0.5 delta contract, a 0.3 delta contract. People say it like you're supposed to just know, and the next couple of minutes I'm going to make it click. So here's what delta is in plain language. Delta is simply telling you how sensitive your option position is to the underlying stock. We all know options are essentially a bet on the price of a stock around the contract's expiry. And it all revolves around 100 shares because one contract can convert into 100 shares at expiry. So here's the key. The delta of an option tells you how many of those 100 shares your current option position is behaving like right now. And it works like this. If your option has a good chance of being right, of finishing in the money, it behaves more like the full 100 shares. If it's got less chance of being right, it behaves like fewer. So a deep, likely to win option might behave like 70 or 80 shares, which would be a delta of 0.7 or 0.8. And a long shot option might behave like only 10 or 20 shares, which would be a delta of 0.1 or 0.2. Let's put quick numbers on it. So if 100 shares outright made $1,000, then the option contract with a 0.3 delta made roughly $300. That's delta in dollars. Simple. And the one thing to remember, delta is always moving. It's dynamic. As price moves toward your option, away from it or through it, your delta shifts right along with it. Your exposure to those 100 shares is never fixed. So lock in two things. 1. Delta tells you how many of the 100 shares your option is behaving like right now. 2. Delta is always moving. Watch the other two videos on how delta affects an option buyer and how delta affects an option seller. And test this all out on PassiveNomads.com, a free option simulator to backtest SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, and Rio Tinto, plus free trader tools, including a trade journal and an option calculator. All free.